In this video, we're going to look at how to change the land markers in the land for sale page on the Woodhaven Estate website. In here, we're using a module that allows us to put multiple pop-ups onto a page with what we call an image map technology. But we want to be able to change those. So how you do that from the front of the site is first you need to log into the website. I've already logged in, which you can tell by the fact that we've got an edit button there, but you have a username and password. Simply go down, click on admin and log into the site with that username and password and you'll have access to this. So click on the edit module button and initially that doesn't look any different except that I know they still keep working, so it looks exactly the same. That's the end result. We're not editing it there. You need to scroll down all the way down to settings. Under settings, we can make all the changes we want. So we click there, and let's say I want to change this particular marker. We've just sold that property. So I click on there, and down here we see the details for that marker. So first thing, I'm going to change the color. Simply click on the bar where the yellow is, and just drag over here up into that top right corner. We'll give them all the same color, keep it consistent red, and that changes the color. We come down to the text here. Now this text, you can just type flat text in there, or for a bit more impact, you can use a couple of simple HTML tags. And the way we do that is this. We type in an angle bracket, letter B enclosed, that says make this bold. Then I type in sold, that's the word that I want to be in bold. Then I close the B by putting a stroke before it. And you can see, you can go in and look at the other examples of this to see how it's done. The other thing we want is we see here a BR. That is a line break. So we want to put a line break here. Simply hitting the enter key in HTML doesn't mean anything. You actually need to put in that command. So that's all you have to do. Put a B in there, sold, close the B, put in a BR to change the line, and then we save that by coming way up the top here. No, we don't. Up the top here, save. And now if we look at that map, oops, bring it in again, you'll see that's now red and it's got sold. So that's how we make that change. Very simple. You can do quite a few at a time. So I'm just going to go in there, change it back, which you can watch as I do that also. Go all the way down to settings, click on the marker that we want to edit, then scroll down the bottom here. I'm going to make that yellow. I can't remember the color, so I'll just go over here. That's the color yellow I want. Okay, so I go back up to this one, paste that yellow in, and it's back to yellow. Go to the text, and I'm just going to remove that sold flag, and remove the line break as well. Save, and we're done. We're back again. I'll just close that, and there we are. Everything's back where it was. If you need to quickly look up to see what the code is that you should be using for this, just go into that particular one. So if I go edit, we come down to settings, click on a red icon, and scroll down, you'll see the color that's there, and you'll see that B on hold, close B for bold, and a BR. So that's you can use that as your model. Just cut and paste that if you want to do into the one you want to edit. So as you can see, it's very simple to keep that up to date, and or even add other information. If you want to add other information into this area, you can do that as well. And again, just use the BR as your line breaks, and you might want to put some I don't know what sort of information, already fenced, if the ones next door have been sold already, or whatever it might be. You can add additional content in there as needed. So I'll just escape out of here. And that's it. That's how we edit the land markers in the site. For other areas that you might want to edit, such as text here, simply a matter of clicking, finding the editor. Whoops. Go into the editor and change it. You can see that on other videos that we've got in the Joomla videos, tutorial videos, where you're looking at this video.